So I have been doing this YouTube thing for I think about 4 years now, and I can't even tell you guys how many beater boxes I've opened in the past. It's gotta be like well over like 200 or 300 in the last 4 years, and none of them have been as expensive as this box is gonna be. Because this box today is actually from soulsteals.com, and this box is $6,000. I paid $6,000 for this box. But before I do open it though, I have this really weird like email that I got from Soul Steals where it says, read before opening box, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. I did not open the box yet, obviously, so I decided to save this and open it up on camera with you guys. It's weird how we have the most expensive box I've ever opened on this channel and now an email coming in, so let's see what they have to say here. Soul Steel says, hey Bryson, I see your box comes in today. I hope you enjoy it. In the past 4 years, this has to be the highest box you ever purchased from us, and yes, that is correct. This is for sure a crazy box, so let's make it even crazier. If you notice, I just refund your purchase for this box. That's because I want to give away this. Oh, dude. Man, I just got a whole bunch of chicken skin over here. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Come on, my 4K camera has to show you guys this. I don't know if you guys can see my arm, but there's a whole bunch of goosebumps over here. Chicken skin, as we call it in Hawaii. But oh man, that's crazy. I just refunded your purchase for this box because I want to give away this box to one of our members. Yes, this $6,000 box. Okay, I gotta go check my refunds and stuff. I did not see that. The Untied Hawaii family has always been great to Soul Steals, and I know a big reason why they come to Soul Steals is for the beater boxes. And ever since COVID hit, we have not been able to put as much beater box inventory up until recently. I hope all of the Soul Steals members from the Untied Hawaii family enjoys this opportunity, and thank you to all the members who support us. To enter to win this box, you must be a Soul Steals member, be subscribed to the Untied Hawaii channel, and like and comment on this video. I hope you guys love this box and enter to win some more. We will announce this giveaway winner on Black Friday, and that means you guys have to follow Soul Steals on Instagram at Soul Steals so you guys know who the winner is. I am literally freaking out though, and now that I think about it, this is kind of like a little bit like bittersweet because I'm not going to be getting anything in this box, but at the same time, the sweetness part is one of you guys is getting like everything in this box. It says the entire $6,000 box, so that's the entire box for one of you guys. That is literally like a life-changing giveaway, and no matter what shoes we see in here, $6,000 is $6,000. And the thing with Soul Steals boxes, as you guys know, it's gonna be a lot more than $6,000. Like whatever's in here, we paid $6,000 for, or I got refunded $6,000 for, but we paid $6,000 for, but the price and value of the box is usually way higher than that $6,000 initial purchase. So somebody's life is literally gonna change from this giveaway, and dude, I don't know, I'm just really happy about this. This is so cool. I still have goosebumps on me, dude. This is wild, and it is the first for Untied Hawaii because I'm opening a mystery box that is not for me. Dude, here we go, here we go. Before I open up that first shoe though, again, just so I was very clear on this, because I know I was talking really fast and like getting super excited for this, to be very clear, in order to enter to win this box of shoes, this beater box, this $6,000 beater box, you need to do the following things. Number one, you need to subscribe to the channel. Number two, you need to like this video. Number three, you need to comment down below like just how excited I guess you are for this opportunity. And then number four, there should be a link in the description where you guys can sign up if you guys aren't Soul Steals members just yet, and you guys can try to enter for this box. It is linked in the description. If you guys already are Soul Steals members, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are, you guys can just go ahead and use that link to enter. But if you're not a Soul Steals member yet, then I highly recommend you guys sign up. I just think it's a great investment. Like, it's literally like I think only $20 a month, so it's very affordable. And if you copy even just one shoe a month, you can flip that shoe immediately, get your money back, and then some. So that's why I love it so much. So a $20 membership, access to huge discounted shoes, and whatever is in this box, I mean, that sounds like a good deal to me. Anyway, let's see what we got. I've been talking enough, and I'm super excited. I'm starting to get sweaty up in here because I'm just too excited. This right here is a pair of Air 270 Reacts. It kind of looks like there's like an Easter theme going on with this one though. You guys can check it out up close over here. You guys can see there is like a see-through upper on this, so like a lot of the Reacts, this is how the mesh setting is. Bottoms obviously dirty, and I guess this one was originally copped from SoulActionLV.com. Interesting. $6,000 box, maybe a $40 pair of shoes. We got a lot of ground to cover. Oof, I gotta dig for this one, dude. This next one over here is a pair of Jordan 11s, and this one is in a size 10.5. I believe these are the Win Like 82s or Win Like 96. One of the Win Like whatevers, man. I get this one and the red one confused all the time, but that's what this one is. I want to say that this one is lightly worn as well. Like with Jordan 11s, you can tell if it's been worn because the patent leather over here will either be scraped up or creased really heavy on the toe box. What I see over here is like a little bit of minor creasing. Definitely a great pair, and as I always like preach and stuff, you guys want to try to cop worn sneakers just because you can save a lot of money if if you guys don't mind wearing something that somebody else has worn. But I mean, just clean it up a little bit, guys, and you guys can save a whole bunch of money on getting like nice shoes like this. So yeah, another nice one over here, Jordan 11. I see a couple Adidas boxes, so we'll hit those next. NMD XR1 size 12. I think I've had this one before. It's a pair of like those duck olive camos, and yeah, this is definitely one that was somewhat popular back when it Boost, you know, was a big thing, but nowadays I don't see very many people wearing this one. And XR1s, that was never like a hit like Ultra Boost kind of model or NMD model. A little bit worn for sure, but Boost material is still like one of the most comfortable materials on the market, man. Like as much as I crank on Adidas and stuff, this is a comfortable sneaker. So this is a nice one to see over here. I'm just gonna put this on the side already though, because I want to see the heat. This looks like it's heat though. I know what this box is. This one is a size 11 Jordan 3 box with that like UNC baby blue over there. It should be a Jordan 3, and it is the UNC colorway. One of the best colorway Jordan 3s like ever, in my opinion. I know that this one was originally like a PE model before, and it was like a UNC like exclusive where I think it's had like the NC logo instead of the Jumpman on here. But yeah, for some reason Jordan brand has been bringing a lot of like those PEs to like mainstream like sneakerheads and stuff. There's like slight variations on the shoe, but they look pretty much like those original PE models. I remember Kais Omar actually was like on Twitter going on a rant because every single time he gets a PE sneaker, I think like a couple months down the road they actually release that sneaker and it's like mainstream and they look pretty much the same, but for like thousands of dollars less. So I definitely understand his gripe with that, man. And yeah, it's really a beautiful shoe. Actually one of the Jordan 3s that has a lot of resale value right now too, just because I think a lot of people realize like this is a well-made sneaker, and just in terms of color blocking and stuff, it's really nice. Okay, so a couple more in here. NMD XR1 size 9, another XR1. Oh dude, and these are bad. I do not like this at all. I think this is the XR1/2 or something. I don't know. It's one of the second or third iterations of the XR1, and this was even worse than the first XR1. Just because like the pattern on here, as you guys can see, was like some kind of like diagonal cross pattern that I never really got behind. I think it makes it look kind of weird. There's some tears over here on the upper. That's not good to see. And yeah, bottoms are dirty. Whoa, really worn actually. You guys can see over here, it's really, really worn down. I wouldn't recommend buying like sneakers in this worn of a condition, but for like lightly worn sneakers, that's where I don't mind buying them, you know, because those are easy to clean up. This one, you'd have to do a lot of restoration to make it look nice again. Okay, so now we're getting into a little bit more crazy shoes, I would assume. This one is a Nike SB box, that's why it's a pink box series, size 10.5. And for this sneaker, let's go. Oh, I just realized that was such a, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the first time this has ever happened on this channel where I was getting excited because I was like, size 10.5 SB, it's a grail, it's the Tiffany Dunk SBs. And then it hit me. This is not my box. This is one of your guys' box. Ugh. So obviously I'm kind of bummed out about this because this is one of my personal grails, guys. Tiffany Dunk Lows. One of the things that you look for on this model is this swoosh over here cracks quite a bit. Like, you guys can't help this no matter what. This one though looks like it's in pretty solid condition. Like, there's not a lot of cracking or tearing on this. So this is a really, really nice Dunk Low, to be honest. Bottoms immaculate, dude. In this condition, I would say this thing is going for probably close to like $2,000, to be honest. Like, nowadays these things are very rare. It's still like one of the greatest like grails of all time for a lot of people, myself included. So yeah, in this condition, man, it's gonna go off. I'm so sad. I would have traded out my pair for this pair because I think that this one is a lot nicer than my pair. Whatever, it's fine. One of you guys are gonna get it. One of the Untitled Hana is gonna get it, so I can't be mad about that. But I am kind of mad still. Size 10.5 too. God damn. I think there's like 3 more shoes in here. Silver box over here, Jordan 5, size 12. So I think this is one of those Kai 54 sneakers, that basketball tournament sneaker. And this thing is something I've never seen, but I really like it a lot, to be honest. This is a nice colorway. Like, when you guys look at it up close, this is what I mean. The quality of leather on this is just very, very premium. Also, that stitched in Kai 54 with that basketball logo over here looks really nice. The green really pops on this too, which I think is dope. Just overall, a really nice Jordan 5, one that I had not seen on the market very often. Size 12 though, so I can't fit it. And like my normal like talking and stuff, talking about like fitting these sneakers and stuff, it doesn't make any sense because I'm not keeping any of them. Okay, I'm all thrown off my game. We do have 2 shoes left in here. This one is a Jordan 4 box, Jordan 3 box, Jordan 3 in a size 9.5. And for this pair, we have a pair of the white cements, and I think This is the 2011 model. Wow, another one that has really premium leather on here, and the condition of this for a 9-year-old sneaker, really, really good. And I think the 2011 model was notorious for having good leather now that I think about it. The colorway is classic. You can't go wrong with this sneaker at all. Okay, and now we've come to the final shoe. Okay, so another reason why I've been like kind of like jittery in this video is because I gotta tell you guys, I accidentally saw this shoe like probably halfway through this video because it's not in a sneaker box per se. It's just kind of like in like this bag thing that's holding it. But I caught a glimpse of it and automatically I knew that every other shoe in here is just put to shame by this sneaker right here. Like, I don't even know how to like, oh man. I can't. Look at this. I'll just show you guys. Look. I'm trying to talk it up, but I can't do it already. I gotta show you. This is too crazy. Sneaker bag. We got a bunch of trash in here. Just a lot of trash. Nothing too crazy, you know. Just whatever these things are. It is what it is, you know, whatever these shoes are. Not much to say here. They're red. They're in a size 10.5. What the fuck? They're in my size. No! Wait, the Tiffany's and these are in my size? Oh man, can I ask for a refund again on that box so I can keep this box? Like, this is crazy, dude. I'm like geeking right now. Size 10.5 is my freaking size. Yeezy 2 Red Octobers, guys. Size 10.5. No box, but the condition, man, is just so darn clean. Like, check this thing out. It still has those amazing golden lace tips, which make this thing stand out against that red. Just makes it really pop off this shoe, which I think is really dope. Inner lining, I don't see any problems at all. Like I said, this is a life-changing box because I don't know what the counter over here says, but I know this is well over $6,000. So by far, the most ridiculous box we've ever seen on this channel, and just so crazy because the fact that it's going to one of you guys, like that makes it so darn crazy. Like, somebody's gonna win a pair of Red Octobers. Like, I just processed it in my head. Somebody's gonna win a pair of Red Octobers, and not just a pair of Red Octobers, like literally everything in this box. You don't see sneaker giveaways like that. Like, you don't see that, and that's just a really cool thing, I think, man. Like, Soul Steals is so legit where they do like these really like dope giveaways, and they're just doing it for the members of their website because that's who they are as people, you know. Like, they're really good people. I don't know any other company that gives these things away just if you have a membership that costs like 20 bucks. Like, who's doing this? Nobody's doing this. So yeah, I just really appreciate their service, and I just think it's a great business. It's one of the most legit companies that you guys can go to, and I don't know, man, I'm just really happy for whoever wins this pair of Red Octobers. Like, this is so wild. So again, if you guys skipped through the video or whatever and you guys came to this point, you guys are able to win this entire beater box by just being a Soul Steals member. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below just how ridiculous this box was and how life-changing it would be, I guess, if you guys won this box. You can like either keep all of these sneakers or you could resell them and, you know, like probably buy a car. That's the reality of this giveaway. It's like basically giving away a used car. Like, this is insane. So yeah, just comment down something down below, just really nice, I guess, about Soul Steals, what you guys would do if you guys won the beater box. And then also don't forget to go to the description and become a Soul Steals member if you guys aren't already, and use that link to finish your giveaway entry. So thank you again, Soul Steals, and thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoot!